If you're thinking about getting your first credit card, you've probably noticed something. There are way too many options. And here's the problem. Most beginner credit cards are either packed with hidden fees or they don't really help you build credit the right way. But a few cards actually stand out. In this video, I'm going to show you the best credit cards for beginners in 2026, explain who each one is for, and most importantly, how to use them to build a strong credit score from day one. Before we jump into the cards, let's quickly talk about why this even matters. Your first credit card is not about spending money. It's about building your financial reputation. A good credit score can help you get approved for loans, rent an apartment, and even qualify for better interest rates in the future. So choosing the right first card and using it correctly can literally save you thousands of dollars over time. Let's start with one of the easiest cards to get if you're new to credit, the Petal 2 Visa card. This card is designed specifically for beginners, especially if you don't have a credit history yet. One of the best things about it is that there's no annual fee, so you're not paying just to keep the card open. It also offers cashback rewards, starting at around 1% and going up to 1.5% over time if you use it responsibly. But what really makes this card stand out is how it evaluates you. Instead of relying only on your credit score, it can look at your income and spending habits. That means you have a better chance of getting approved even if you're just starting out. If you want something simple, low risk, and beginner-friendly, this is a great place to start. But maybe you're a student and want something that fits your lifestyle a bit more. If you're in college or just starting out as a student, the Capital One Savers Student Card is a strong option. Again, there's no annual fee, which is exactly what you want as a beginner. But here's where it gets interesting. You earn 3% cash back buying entertainment and streaming services. So basically, the things you're already spending money on start working in your favor. It's also designed to be more accessible for students, so the approval process is generally more beginner-friendly. And just like the first card, it reports your activity to credit bureaus, which helps you build your credit history over time. If you're a student who wants rewards while learning how credit works, this is a solid choice. Now, what if you have no credit at all, or you've been denied before? This is where secured cards come in, and the Discover It Secured card is one of the best. Here's how it works. You put down a refundable security deposit, and that becomes your credit limit. So if you deposit $200, your limit is $200. Now I know what you're thinking. Why would I do that? Because this card is designed to help you build or rebuild your credit safely. It reports to all major credit bureaus, which is exactly what you need. And unlike most secured cards, this one actually gives you cashback rewards, like 2% on gas and dining. Even better, after a few months of responsible use, Discover may upgrade you to a regular unsecured card and refund your deposit. So if you're starting from zero or rebuilding, this is one of the safest and smartest ways to begin. So how do you actually choose between these? Here's a simple way to think about it. If you want something straightforward and beginner-friendly with no fees, go for the Petal 2 Visa. If you're a student and want to earn rewards on everyday spending, the Capital One Savers Student makes more sense. And if you have no credit history at all or need a fresh start, the Discover It Secured card. If I were starting from scratch today, I'd pick one card, keep things simple, and focus on using it the right way. And this part is crucial. Getting the card is easy. Using it correctly is what actually builds your credit. Always pay your bill on time. Even one missed payment can hurt your score. Try to keep your balance below 30% of your limit, and don't spend money just because you have a credit card. Treat it like a debit card. Only spend what you can afford to pay back. If you follow these habits consistently, your credit score will grow faster than you think. At the end of the day, your first credit card is a tool. Use it wisely, and it can open doors for your financial future. So take your time, choose the card that fits your situation, and start building your credit the smart way. And I'm curious, if you had to choose one of these cards today, which one would you go for? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.